Hello, this is Alex. I am Alexander Jung and I'm growing interesting plants to show you. I have three ones here that I have. I have an Elephantippus Dasuria elephantippus from Botanic Wonders. Now, Dasuria elephantippus is native to sub-Saharan Africa, and this is dormant right now, but it should grow with a really good spike. See, it's starting to break dormancy just a little bit, and I've been giving it water every now and then. They like to be kept dry, but not bone dry, because if they become bone dry, then the roots die and you lose a tuber, and then, well, there goes $78. So. But this is a vining succulent and it can get immense. So I'm looking forward to it growing to be very, very gigantic. And the roots grow from the bottom. As you can see, the roots grow from the bottom and they grow out. That's one way you can tell that it's coming to life. And then another is you can start to see tip growth. The very tip where my finger is, right there. And this is a really cool plant. This is called a bullhorn acacia. Now, I didn't get this from Botanic Wonders. I got this from Wagger's Nursery in Florida, which is, I guess you could say, Botanic Wonders territory, because Botanic Wonders is in, let me check. Doesn't say, tag doesn't say. But anyway, this is a really, really cool plant. It doesn't like to be inside as much, but it's inside now because we're supposed to get rain and I just watered it and it's starting to get some yellow leaves from overwatering. I can kind of get that feeling that it needs to be dried out a little bit, so it's going to be inside tonight. But this is a really cool horticultural gem. This is a really, really cool plant. Now, in nature, it forms a symbiosis relationship with ants. The ants live in the thorns and they make nests in the thorns and then they defend it from herbivores. So if I was an elephant or a giraffe and came by and ate this, I'd get a mouthful of stinging ants. Now, fortunately, in captivity, the trees do not have ants. So you don't have to worry about this while working with this species. You can just kind of work with it and grow as a bonsai. This is a bonsai, so this is a really cool plant. I'm not going to repot it anymore because it's already growing too much and I got to kind of keep it in bounds. So, but as you can see, the soil is kind of moist. So, the soil is kind of moist, so it means that it doesn't like to be too overwatered. So I'm going to let it back off with the water and let it dry out, let it get a lot of sun, and then it'll be growing like a weed and growing. I'm sure you all are really excited about this plant. This is called Frankenmuth, another Botanic Wonders bonsai, and this needs to be trimmed bad. The tips, I want to force some branching, so I'm going to cut, put it in rooting hormone or root powder, and then get new bonsai trees for a friend. Maybe I'll give one to Danny if Frankenmuth aren't poisonous to cats. I'll have to check the veterinarian, see if they are. I don't have cats, but they might be poisonous, so I'll check. But these are my three treasured plants. I have a few other ones that I'll show you in a little bit, but these are the healthiest ones. And these are all really, really cool. Over and out.